Okay, you ready? Here are 12 ways to escape the summer heat if you don't have an air conditioner, or how to boast in your post that you are not going to roast or become toast when summer becomes most hot. One of the ways to beat the summer heat is to crank up the AC to its highest possible setting and seek relief in the cold air it puffs out 24/7. That's until you receive the electric bill. The shocking amount written on it is enough to send chills down your spine, metaphorically. But can you really live without an air conditioning unit? How can you survive when the temperature outside gets up to 100 degrees Fahrenheit? You're now faced with the decision of whether to use the AC or not, because your savings will be as dry as the Sahara Desert if this continues. Hey, don't worry! We here at Brightside have searched for ways to escape the sweltering heat if you don't have AC, or if you have plans to remove it. So here we go! Tip number 1. Close the windows in the morning. To keep a room cool, you should air it out properly. Shut the windows when the temperature outside is higher than 75 degrees Fahrenheit and open them when the temperature drops below that. The lowest temperature of the day is usually between 4 a.m. and 7 a.m., so open your windows in the morning and after 8 p.m. Number 2. Choose the right curtains. To prevent the sun's heat from entering your house, it's important to use the right curtains. Now, you might think fabrics made of thick and dark materials are great as they block out the sun. Nope. They do the opposite. According to UCSB Science Line, a dark object of a given color will absorb more photons than a light object of the same color, meaning that it will absorb more heat and become warmer. Go for linen fabrics with light neutral colors. Why linen fabrics? This type of cloth is made from eco-friendly materials. Moreover, it's hypoallergenic and mold-resistant. Consider your curtain project as a mini summer makeover. Number 3. Throw away the carpets, rugs, and sofa pillows. Alright, this mini makeover is escalating quickly. However, if you don't want that heat to stay inside your home, it's better to get rid of things that collect dust – carpets, rugs, and sofa pillows. This will make the air cleaner and cooler. Australia's Environment Protection Authority, Victoria, says airborne dust reduces air quality and visibility. In addition, carpets and rugs are more suitable for cold weather. So when you lay carpets on your floor, it is the same as when you put on a sweater or jacket in the summer. So think about what happens when you install wall-to-wall carpet in your house. The best flooring options to keep a house cool are marble, bamboo, hardwood, and tiles. Number 4. Cool down a room with a wet towel and wet floor. When airing your room, wet a towel and hang it in front of an open window. It'll help cool down your home quickly. But don't leave the towel there overnight. A room that is too wet can also become very humid. In the past, before air conditioners existed, people used to wet their floors. The room temperature would drop immediately, and it would be comfortable enough to fall asleep. Don't try this at home though, because you could break a bone or two. A safer solution is to choose the proper flooring. Number 5. Use ceiling fans. They are cheap, maximizing space and cooling down a room pretty well. If you have this type of fan, make sure that the switch is set to summer mode. Many fans have 2 modes for different seasons. The other mode is for winter. If you can't find a switch, check the fan blades. They should rotate counterclockwise so that the air is pulled upward, which lets the breeze circulate around the room. Besides the rotation setting, shop for the right ceiling fan. The U.S. Department of Energy suggests that a fan with a diameter of 36 to 44 inches is perfect for rooms up to 225 square feet. Fans with a diameter greater than 52 inches should be used in larger rooms. However, not all houses can be equipped with this type of fan. It is only appropriate if the room is at least 8 feet high. Otherwise, you may get a haircut you don't want, or worse. Number 6. Make a homemade air conditioner. Now, things are getting more interesting. Is this a solution to get rid of our money-gobbling air conditioners? Bring it on! We hate to burst your bubble, but it's not really. Yeah, this trick can chill you and your head. Are you still interested? Good. Here we go. A regular fan just moves air around the room, and its motor actually heats the room. But any fan can be turned into a real air conditioner. Freeze a few bottles or other containers with water and place them in front of a fan. Cool air will be blown all over the room. When the heat is strong, freeze 2 sets of bottles and change them every 4 to 5 hours. This is also the perfect opportunity to make ice pops. Yeah! Number 7. Change your bed linen. Now, if your bed linen is made of satin or synthetics, it's better to replace it with cotton or silk sheets. Cotton sheets absorb sweat well and cool down the skin. Another way to cool down your bed is to put your sheets and pillowcases in the fridge. Before you go to sleep, make your bed with them. Just don't put your comforter in the freezer, as this can make you sick. Mattresses with memory foam show a high capacity for heat retention. They're good for winter, but not for summer. You can try adding a cotton mattress topper, which you can also put in the fridge. Number 8. Choose the perfect sleepwear. Wear pajamas made of cotton as they breathe better. Or sleep without clothes on. Are we suggesting that you sleep naked? There are studies claiming the benefits of sleeping in the buff. The University of Rochester says it could improve the quality of sleep. Researchers at the University of Amsterdam discloses that it lowers your body temperature. And here comes the best part. Researchers at the University of Melbourne conducted a study and found out that it makes you more comfortable with your own skin, thus increasing your self-esteem and confidence. And when you're confident, you might have the chance to earn higher wages and be promoted, and then be able to afford real air conditioning without feeling the pinch in your wallet. Number 9. Shut off the lights when not in use. This doesn't only reduce the hot temperature around the house, but the utility bill as well. Opt for compact fluorescents and LEDs over incandescent light bulbs. It's better to stick with LED lighting because it has a longer lifespan, about 25,000 hours. It's cost-effective too. Number 10. Know your cooling spots. Grab an ice pack or cold compress. If you don't have these, wet a banana. Bandana. Or wrap an ice cube in a cloth. Place it over the pulse points of your elbows, wrists, groin, neck, and ankles. Number 11. Stay hydrated. In other words, drink lots of water. This is simple to do, yet some of us are too lazy to drag our feet over to the fridge. Why is it so important to stay hydrated during summer? Well, the deadly counterpart of hydration is dehydration. According to the American Heart Association, dehydration is a serious condition that can lead to problems ranging from swollen feet or headaches to life-threatening illnesses like heat stroke. There are also water-rich fruits you can eat during summer. Watermelon, strawberries, cantaloupe, peaches, oranges, tomatoes – yes, it's a fruit – grapefruit, and coconut. To notch up the coolness factor, cut them into chunks, put them in freezer bags, and store them in the freezer. You'll have an instant summer treat in no time. Number 12. Adjust the AC settings. Now, if you can't part with your AC, tweak its settings. Scientists say that we sleep better at a temperature of about 64 degrees Fahrenheit, so try to sustain this temperature if possible. Many air conditioners have a function for temperature retention or night mode. It could be called something different, health save or night mode, so check the manual. In this mode, an air conditioner turns on and off, maintaining a steady temperature in the room. If your air conditioner doesn't have this function, shut all the windows and then turn on the air conditioner for 2 to 3 hours on the coldest mode. Then, turn it off. So, have you tried some of the tips in this video? Do you have a cooler solution? Share it with us in the comments. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and share this video with your family and friends. Sharing is caring, you know. And subscribe to our channel to chill with us on the bright side of life.